So this is the punched out text effect that we can do inside of CreateSpace with a few simple steps. And the text that you see here on the mat is utilizing a system font that we've already installed and have available to us. So how can we do this? I'm going to go ahead, select everything, and delete. The next thing that I would like to do is we need to add text to our mat. So for that, I'm using the text tool, and I chose the font Impact. So I'm going to go on the mat, and I'm going to type the word state, and then I'm going to come down here and type the word champs. Now it's time to size things. So I'm going to select both of these and sort of size them together. Hold the shift button down. I can move the champs up to where I would like to have it on the state. And now I can go ahead and increase the size there. Once you have the text sized properly, it's time to have all of it selected and choose the effects menu, and we're going to go down to shadow layer. This new window will appear, and you can sort of see that we kind of have a faint blue line going around the letters. So that is a shadow, but we want an inset shadow. So we're going to check mark this. And that makes the shadow go on the inside of the letter rather than the outside. And we can change the size of the shadow over here by clicking the up arrow. Obviously, you don't want to go too much. And even this may be a little too much. As you can see, the M here is kind of cramped. So we can adjust this by actually typing in a value. I'm going to remove the 5 and see what it does. Now, the important thing here is you want to click into another box so that you can actually see the update. All right, that looks really good. I'm going to click on OK. The next thing that we need to do is we need to select everything again and go up to the Object menu, and then go to Merge. This will create that punch-out effect of the text that we saw earlier. So as you can see, in a few simple steps, we can create a very unique effect with text and the shadow contour inside of CreateSpace.